instructions on how to set up the silex bridge and connect it to your network. The first thing you want to do is connect the Ethernet cable, plug that in, plug the power cord in. I'm doing that right now. And then also plug in the network cable into your computer, laptop, whatever. Make sure that you disable your wireless first, so your wireless isn't up. And then if you start seeing blinky lights like this, then that's a bad sign. In this case, we're going to hit the reset button on the back, and we're going to hold it for 3 seconds. This is a little tricky, so watch this. We're going to release it when the lights start blinking. Don't wait till they go off, because that's not correct. So I'm pushing the button now. Wait till the lights blink and then let go. Now what will happen is it will turn itself off. It'll reboot, and then when it comes back up, you'll see what happens here is you'll get a slow flash. So basically it just rebooted and reset itself, and then you'll get a slow, there we go, there's our slow flash. Okay, so now, since we have it hooked up to our computer with no special settings at all, what we want to do is open up a browser. If I can find my mouse. Okay, so we're going to use Internet Explorer. So once we open it up, boom, right away, you can see it pulls up the silex bridge. So we're inside the web connection of the bridge. In this case, we're going to go search for wireless networks. And then if you scroll down here, you'll see that it actually is looking. So give it a second. Once it's done, you're going to see all your networks here. So if you want to connect it to one, obviously just have it selected, and then you're going to have to enter your key for your network. And I'm going to put the phone down for just a second. Sorry about the blur. I'm going to type in the password. Okay, once I have the password typed in, submit. And now what's going to happen is it's going to reboot the device. So give it a second here and it will switch off to reboot. And then once it comes back up, you should start seeing your wireless light go solid if you typed in the password correct. And you should notice that it's going to try and connect into the network. It's going to link up to your computer. And what you'll notice is if you did it right, your wireless light should come on like solid like that. You'll get a status blinking light. It should look just like this. And then if you go to the internet, open up the internet and just go to www.eBay or something. Whatever. I don't even know where I am here. Just gonna type in eBay, hit enter, and if this comes up like a search, then you know you've done it right, and that's how you set it up. Now also, if you know too, one more thing is you can go into your network settings. If you right click on it, go into open network, sharing. So then you can actually go into your adapter. You can look at your local network. You can, oops, I didn't click on it. There we go. You can look at the status, and you can see exactly what IP address it grabbed from your network. And that should be, if you can see that IP address there, gosh, I'm trying to get it clear here. My computer grabbed that IP address, 10.0.1.174 there in the middle. And if you wanted to, you could set your IP address to static, so it would always be on that. If you're setting up a copy or a game console, whatever, it's going to work the same. So that is how to set up.